Hi and welcome to our Family Pride music activities. Now for the next session you will need a couple of things that you can make a noise on. So a drum or something you can tap, a shaker or something that you can shake that makes a noise, and something that you can wave in the air such as a scarf or a ribbon. If you don't have any musical instruments at home, that is absolutely fine. Get a bit creative with some Tupperware from the kitchen or a bag of pasta or rice, anything that makes a good sound. I'll give you a minute or so to find those and then we'll get started. Hi everyone, happy Pride! My name is Lizzie and I'm super excited to be doing some music with you all today. I hope you're ready for some great music fun. I hope your singing voices are ready and you've got your family ready to do some music with you today. Today we are going on a very exciting day out. We are going to Pride together. So we're going to start off by waking up and singing hello. So get ready to wave good morning and hello. Hello, good morning, Borada. Hello, good morning, Borada. Hello, good morning, Borada. We're gonna have lots of fun today. Lovely waving. Do you reckon you could sing that along with me? Are you ready? Hello, good morning, Borada. Hello, good morning, Borada. Hello, good morning, Borada. We're gonna have lots of fun today. Lovely singing everyone, well done. Now we have to get ready for our day out. So up onto your feet because you are going to be looking for some things around your house. So listen carefully, switch on those listening ears as we see what we're going to find around the house. Let's see. What do we need for our big day out? Now we've got out of bed. What do we need for our big day out? We need something red. What can you find in your house that's red? Have a look, have a look. Can you see anything that's the colour red? Well done for finding something red. I wonder what we'll do next. What do we need for our big day out? There's so many things to get. What do we need for our big day out? We need something orange. Something orange. What can you find in your house that's orange? You're looking, looking, and well done for finding something orange. Put it next to what you found that's red, and let's see what's going to be next. What do we need for our big day out? can you see in your house that's yellow? Can you find something yellow? Have a look. Have a look all around your house. Did you find something yellow? Well done. Put it next to your red and orange things, and let's see what's going to be next. What do we need for our big day out? There's so many things to see. What do we need for our big day out? We need something green. Something green. Can you find something in your house that's green? Have a look around. Is it in the room you're in? Maybe it's next door. What can you find that's green? Well done for finding something green. Fantastic. Put it next to what you found that's yellow. And let's see what we're going to need next. Are you ready? What do we need for our big day out? A day with me and you. What do we need for our big day out? We need something blue. What can you find around your house that's blue? Can you see anything blue? You might have to have a look in the kitchen. Can you find something? Have a quick look. Have you found something? Oh, a big well done for finding something blue. Put it next to your thing that's green, and let's see what's next. Are you ready? What do we need for our big day out? We hope it's a nice day. What do we need for our big day out? We need something purple. What can you find around your house that's purple? Ooh, have a look, have a look, have a look. Well done. Put it next to your blue thing, and let's see, what have we got when all our colours are together? We have red, just like my flowers, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. What does that make all together? What do we need for our big day out? Now we're ready to go. What do we need for our big day out? Now we have a rainbow. Well done for finding all the colours of the rainbow. Now, the rainbow is very, very important at Pride. When you go to Pride, you see rainbows everywhere. I have a rainbow here. Can you point to the colours with me? Ready? We have red, we have orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. All the colours are different, but when we put them together, we have a beautiful rainbow. Now that we've got everything ready, it's time to go. So there's many ways that we could get into town to go to Pride. We could walk, we could take the car, we could take the train or even a plane. But I think the best way would be to take a bus. I reckon you all know a song about a bus. So we're going to sing it together, and I'd love to see all of your best actions as we sing Wheels on the Bus. So get your wheels ready. Are you ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Lovely wheels, well done. Oh, the driver is honking his horn, we're in traffic. Are you ready? The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. Well done for beeping that horn. Oh, it started to rain. The wipers on the bus are going. Are you ready? The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. Well done, we got rid of that rain. Oh, it's quite a bumpy road. You ready? The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down all day long. Oh, well done, we're nearly there. Time to ring the bell. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 all day long. Time to get off the bus. Open those doors. The doors on the bus go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the bus go open and close all day long. Well done, we made it off the bus into town, ready for Pride. Now, I hope you've got your instruments with you because I think it might be raining. Oh no! Can you get your shaker ready for some rain? I've got my shaker with me. Let's give our shakers a gentle shake. It sounds a little bit like the rain, doesn't it? Just a tiny bit of rain. A nice quiet shake. And the rain is getting a bit louder. And a little bit louder. And it's getting louder and louder. And now it's the loudest it's ever been. And it's getting a bit quieter. And a bit quieter. And a little bit quieter. And now super, super quiet. And suddenly it's really loud. And now it's really quiet. And really loud. Well done for great rain shaking. Oh no, I can hear something. Not just the rain, I can hear thunder. Have you got your drum ready or something that you can tap? Let's make a big loud sound like thunder. Ready? Oh, that was so loud. Another big loud thunder. Ready? And now some quiet thunder. Very quiet. Even quieter. Oh, and here comes the rain again. Have you got your rain ready? Really, really loud. And really quiet. Really quiet rain. And really loud rain. And really quiet rain. And here's the thunder. Starting up quiet. And getting louder. Well done. And really slow thunder. Very slow. And some fast thunder. Well done. The rain is going so fast, really loud, fast rain. And it's getting quieter and quieter as the storm is going away. The storm has gone away, and just in time the sun has come out. Have you got your scarf or ribbon that you can wave in the air? The sun has come out. It's a beautiful day. Can you see how your scarf is curvy in the air? Just like the rainbow that comes out when you've had rain and sunshine at the same time. Now that the sun has come out, we can sing a lovely song about the sunshine. Now I would like you to sit down for this song, and I'm going to start off by playing it, and feel free to join in once you get the hang of it. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Now this time, I would like you to take your pointer finger and draw a nice slow circle on the floor in front of you. You can go around many times, however long it takes for the song. And so the younger children will need a bit more help with this one, but the older children, you can definitely do this on your own, drawing a lovely circle to be the sun. And I'd like you to watch your finger as you draw the circle of the sun. Are you ready? Got your pointer fingers ready on the floor? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Well done for drawing such lovely slow circles on the ground. It's time for us to have a party because we are at Pride and we are so happy to be here. So I'm going to do some actions and I would like you to follow me. Are you ready? Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Get ready to stamp your feet, here we go. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Let's nod our head next. Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. Now get ready to turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. This time we're going to wiggle our arms. Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your arms. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your arms. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, wiggle your arms. Now we're going to jump up and down. Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, jump up and down. If you're happy and you know it, jump up and down. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up and down. Now get ready to shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Well done, great actions. Now, what's that I can hear? I think it's party music. Are we ready to go and have a party? Now let's turn on our listening ears. This one first. Click. And this one. Click, because we are going to be moving in time with the music. I will give you some instructions, so follow along carefully and try to keep to the beat of the music. We're going going to start off by walking in time with the music. Are you ready all around your sitting room? Here we go. Round we go. Hold hands with your family. Very good for stepping in time with the music. Get ready to clap your hands. Here we go. Well done for clapping to the beat. Now can you find your drum or something you're tapping? We're going to tap it in time with the music. Are you ready? Very good tapping, well done. Keep tapping that drum and you wave it around in the air. You might need your family to help you play in time with the music. And now get the shaker ready. Swap your drum for your shaker. And I'm going to get ready to shake in time with the music. Are you ready? Very good shaking, well done. Can you wave it in the air? Well done. Put your shaker down. Well done for keeping in time with the music all the way through. Fantastic. You did such a great job. Great listening, everyone. Pride is all about how we're all different, but we all make up a lovely, big, exciting world. Just like how all the colours in the rainbow are different, but when you put them all together, you make a beautiful rainbow. I have a little song that we're going to learn. I'll need the help of my ukulele again. And we're going to learn a song together. We're going to start off with the colour red. So have a listen. Red is the apple that I have as a treat. Can you sing that with me? Ready? Red is the apple that I have as a treat. The next colour is orange. Orange is the colour of the fruit that I eat. Can you sing that with me? Ready? Orange is the colour of the fruit that I eat. Next up we have yellow, which is the colour of the sun. Yellow is the colour of the sun in the sky. And then we have green trees. Green is the trees that grow oh so high. Let's sing that with yellow. Ready? Yellow is the colour of the sun in the sky. Green is the trees that grow oh so high. Then we have blue, which is the colour of the sea. Blue is the colour of the great big sea. And purple is our grapes. Purple is the grapes that I eat for my tea. Let's sing that all together from blue. Are you ready? Blue is the colour of the great big sea. Purple is the grapes that I eat for my tea. And then we're going to put them all together and you'll see that we're all a big rainbow family. Shall we sing that all the way through? Are you ready? Red is the apple that I have as a treat. Orange is the colour of the fruit that I eat. Yellow is the colour of the sun in the sky. Green is the trees that stretch oh so high. Blue is the colour of the great big sea. Purple is the grapes that I eat for my tea. Put them all together and we'll see that we're all a big rainbow family. Well done, lovely singing. We're going to sing it one more time and point to your colours. Are you ready? Red is the apple that I have as a treat. Orange is the colour of the fruit that I eat. Yellow is the colour of the sun in the sky. Green is great big sea. Purple is the grapes that I eat for my tea. Put them all together and we'll see that we're all a big rainbow family. Lovely singing, well done. What a lovely day we have had. Now it's time to go home and say goodbye. So we're going to wave. Lovely waving. Hoyle, goodbye, we'll see you soon. Hoyle, goodbye, we'll see you soon. Hoyle, goodbye, we'll see you soon. We have had lots of fun today. Can you sing that with me? Ready? Hoyle, goodbye, we'll see you soon. Hoyle, goodbye, we'll see you soon. Hoyle, goodbye, we'll see you soon. We have had lots of fun today. Goodbye everyone and happy Pride.